And this is the final part, methodology. It includes research procedure, research structure, and research hypotheses, participants, instruments, and data analysis. And this is the research procedures. It is first, it's about a questionnaire design, and I'll do a pilot study, and after that I will revise the questionnaire based on the results, and finalize the formal data collection, and the last one is to analyze the data. And this is my research structure. Like I said before, source credibility is divided into 3 dimensions: expertness, trustworthiness, attractiveness, and in the middle one is trust. It is the intervening variables in this research. And the final one is purchase intention of the consumer. And this is the research hypothesis based on the research questions and structure. And hypothesis 1, expertness would have positive effect on purchase intention. Hypothesis 2, trustworthiness would have a positive effect on purchase intention. And 3, attractiveness would have positive effect on purchase intention. And number 4, the effect of source credibility on purchase intention would be different based on the consumer's trust. And about the participants, the participant would be the tourist in Wuhan, and each of the questionnaire time of the participants will be about 15 minutes. And quantity of participants, in the pre-test, there will be 30 participants, and in the formal study, there will be 300 participants. And this is some information about Wuhan. Wuhan is located at Leping Township of Taichung County, and it's at an altitude of 800 meters. And the first hot spring in Wuhan was found in 1907. And the average degree of Celsius is about 48 degrees Celsius. And the total number of the hotels in Wuhan is 30. And this part is about the instrument of my research. I will use questionnaire to explore the consumer's behavior. I will use 5-point Likert scale to estimate part 1 and part 2 and part 3. And 1 means strongly disagree, and 5 means strongly agree. Part 1 include the dimensions of source credibility, left raised by Onion, Schwartz, and Wu. And part 2 is about trust disposition. It is raised by G-Fan in 2000. And part 3 is about purchase behavior. It is based on the Swinyard research. And the final part is the personal information. And this is the items of the first part, source credibility. First is about the expertness. And second is trustworthiness, and final one is attractiveness. And this part is about trust disposition. It is more clear to understand if you read these items for understanding the idea of trust disposition. And the third part is about the consumer purchase behavior. Basically, it's just to know how about their opinion after they read the word of mouth of the offering tale. And the final part is the personal information. And this part is about the data analysis. I will use SPSS to analyze these data. And naturally, I will use three ways of statistics analysis to do the research. And first is descriptive statistics analysis. It is to know the distribution of the participants' personal information. The second is Pearson correlation. It is to examine relationships between the variables, but it cannot test the cause and effect. Therefore, I will use regression analysis to examine causal effect between variables.